2. That's the appropriate amount of clapping. You can stop now, Luke. All right.
No Zack.
Likely story. All right, so up next we have one of my favorite male comedians, which means very little. I don't like these guys, but I like him plenty. All right, let's give it up for David Bacon.
Sometimes I like to enter from the other side. I don't. Fucking Sunny just left. She just dropped that freaking hole. Can you see my pussy? Can you see my ass when I bend over? Yeah? Okay, good. Itty bitty teeny tiny little slutty. Do you not? No one ever fucking knows the song. I think Sunny might have. I didn't mean. There's no way I didn't mean. Fuck. I don't like not seeing. Okay, there you go. So hey, there's this guy, Marcel Duchamp. Woo! Nude descending a staircase, and then he was really into these things called ready-mades. So they were like objects that you could find that were just art automatically. I want to do the same thing with comedy. I want to be the Duchampian prop comic. So I don't know if you know that before like space was real cool, it was all about fucking cowboys. Okay, check this out. People think AI might be bad, like if you have it as a counselor, like it drives your mind nuts, like maybe that's not bad. Look what they had in the 50s. Oh, yes, Mom, I want to brush, yes, I'll brush my teeth. I'll just use my cowboy gun. What the fuck? This is a real toothbrush gun. You can buy them on eBay for like $20, $25. You can even get in a package with a holster. What are we? No, I want to brush more, Mom. I think that's why people might, like this came, I'm a little older than this. But I think that's why, like, my age and, like, 10 years older, they're killing themselves because they're flashing back to childhood. Once their teeth go bad. I also have some things. I smoke way too much pot. And lately, like, my throat's hurting and my cough's getting worse. I'm thinking maybe I gotta switch to that medical marijuana. You see, because doesn't. Oh! It has a click sound. What the fuck? Every time I get arrested, I get a little scared because they're always telling me, "Don't make any sudden movements." That's like, I mean, I didn't do it tonight so much, but you see, because they would use this. I only want him to laugh. I'm kind of grateful that Bob Weir died. Or is dead. Is dead. Damn. Because it can't be died dead, see, because... So basically, canola oil used to be called rapeseed oil. What did we used to call the dolphins? Because the dolphins just rape. I don't know if you have to know that. Oh, fuck. Not tonight, but at another mic. Some dude was bragging about his Magnum condoms. Dude, you lost. You're wearing condoms. Don't even bother. I don't care how figure dicking. I've been sleeping with the same woman for 37 years. That means I haven't used a condom since the Bush administration. And I'm gonna just do a real quick, this is hack as hell, because everyone already does this. Everyone does an impression of Trump, but I've combined my impression of Trump with my vocal exercises. And again, this is like the greatest impression ever. Because, he's a little conceited, perhaps. Thank you very much.
Yes, please give it up for the love child of Robin Williams and Bob